Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create a basic waffle chart in Excel. We'll start off by entering the values of 1% and 2% into these cells. You can then highlight them both and drag this over until you see 10 appear, or 10 columns over in the cell above the 1%. I'll enter the formula equals, click the cell below, and add 0.01. Then click Enter, and now I can drag this formula across, and I can also drag it up until I get to 100. To create the borders for our waffle chart, you can highlight the entire area and click the All Borders option. Now we'll resize the columns and rows to make them equal. I can highlight all the columns. We'll resize them to 20 pixels. Then I'll highlight all the rows, and to make them equal, I'll make sure they are also at 20 pixels. To easily hide the percentages in each of these cells, you can highlight the range again. Go to the number formatting dialog box located here, select Custom, and in the type box, enter 3 semicolons back to back. Then click OK. Now we'll go to Conditional Formatting, select New Rule, select the option for Format Only Cells that contain, and in the Format Only Cells with a section, select the option Less Than or Equal To. For the cell while referencing, we'll click the box that includes our waffle chart entry percentage. Now set your desired format by clicking the Format option on the Fill tab. I'll select a dark blue fill, click OK, and then OK again. And there, our waffle chart has been created. If I change the percentage to 75, you'll see the waffle chart updates again. If I change it to only 25%, the waffle chart updates again. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.